Jordan. Cameron, next to the pool on the huge hill. Hey! Can you guys come get me? Like, wait. Wait! Huh? Actually, I just need to ride to Cameron's house. Well, I'm at the park, but I have to come home first. Come on, dude, you're on YouTube right now. Okay, look, I gotta go, bye. I think he hung up on me anyway. Let's go!
Are we getting a ride?
Yeah, dude.
This is gonna hurt.
Yeah, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. See that fucking hill right there? It's gonna be awesome!
Yeah, awesome.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh, shit!
Oh! Woo! Dude, that was tight as hell!
What?
That was tight. You gotta see this.